We're gonna read lyrics. I roll my fist.
Oh, it's all nice and
I'm
windy.
not gonna show her face.
Where did this? Where was
Yeah,
that?
it's
Where
taste
was this?
testing.
Where was
Mine
this?
is Pepsi, and hers is Crimson.
I got
Oh, that's like that.
and the cake smash thing.
We also got candy, so we're gonna read these. These.
Okay, first, bottom layer, serpent. Okay, ready, like,
Beautiful.
That's the voice of Bob Marley and the Wailers. The track is called Put It On. And right now we have in the studio, we have Dave from the Jamaican Association. I want to say good afternoon to you.
I'm ready
Having you here.
this.
All right, nice to have you
Running
here.
this
And I
is
know that there's something exciting, something that when you think about
I'm gonna try
your
this.
stomach, you have to listen about this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we're talking about Grab and Galang, and this is our annual.
Don't mind if we keep catching.
That's the Jamaican Kennedy Association, Alberta.
I
And
can
this
see your
is our
face.
annual Grab and Galang. So for those persons who don't know the
Yeah,
Jamaican
they're like little ones.
narrative, Grab and Galang means pick up and go.
What?
So you pre-order your food and make sure that you are there. So what we have
You're
this
not
year,
getting
we
any of
have
mine.
fish,
No,
steamed fish,
it's not even
Esco
open.
beach fish, steamed fish. We have jerk chicken, we have oxtail,
Fried
curry
chicken.
goat,
Girl,
red
open
pea
your
soup with
face.
salt beef,
Oh my
and
God.
also the vegetarian one as well.
Sorry.
We're eating that one. And we have ackee and saltfish. So make sure you pre-order. Now your orders can be called in at 403
Charlie, do the thing.
828
I got these
0508
rainbow
or
strips.
587 429 2960. You can also send your order to www.jcalberta.com
Give me one.
or on Eventbrite.
Please.
So make sure you put your orders in early.
Maybe.
So
Not a
again,
maybe.
that date,
Please.
listeners,
Can I
make sure you don't have
purchase
to cook that day. If you get up, have something like
out
say
of it.
breakfast, I'm
Yep.
prepared to grab and go on. Grab
Yeah,
and go.
Grab and Gala. Yes, Billy, Grab and Gala. Well, the thing is,
And
make
girl.
sure you order before July 16th
You're
because after
welcome.
that's going to be an additional $5 surcharge.
Now let's
So,
rate each other.
okay.
Let's rate each
yeah, your
other's.
order. And it's
Okay.
important that we get the orders in because then we know how much food to prepare for
Mhm.
patrons.
Instead of making too much food.
Computer's probably
All
got
right, so
fault.
basically by
Yeah.
next week, Thursday, is the deadline for the orders to go in. And after
I
that,
can't not
for
really
the
taste
low
it.
cost,
Well,
I should say.
up
I
till
rate it
Friday
like
night,
it's like
we
an
can take up to Friday night
rate
and
really
making
fine.
sure that the
Yeah.
day off, you come to order day off, it's going to be $5
See
extra
ya.
on that day. And again, to bring us short